Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to open some Happy Mail that I just got in the mail today. Now, if you saw my Go Wild vlog, you may have seen on day 3 that I shared a little clip of some of the people that I met. And I met Kelly, and she is so sweet because she sent me this amazing package. So I think I already have an idea of what's inside, but I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do a video and share it with you. So let's go ahead and open. Okay. Oh my goodness. So, at Go Wild, there were, obviously, like I showed, there were tables decorated by, different vendors and, sticker shops and whatnot. And Coco Daisy had a beautiful, beautiful table, but for whatever reason, I didn't sit at the Coco Daisy table, and then I had later regretted it, and then I had talked to Kelly about it, and she said, oh, you know what, I got one of those traveler's notebooks that Coco Daisy had, and she's like, I'll just send it to you. And I said, oh my gosh, are you serious? So that was very sweet and unexpected, and of course unnecessary for her to do that. So I'm very, very thankful, and I just can't believe she is just so sweet and so generous. So looks like she has a little sweet card here, which I will read off camera. But let me go ahead and show you guys what is in this. So first we got a cute little bow here, and this is from Macy Lee, I think. Very cute. Then there is I don't know if this is a sticky notepad or just a regular. Yes, it's just a regular notepad. Oh wow, and then there are some puffy letter stickers, and this is by Coco Daisy, and you can see it's a real pretty, like a powder blue color, but these are puffy letter stickers, and I hope it's focusing. Very cute. Then I got a Coco Daisy standard size lined insert. Oh, it's got different types of paper patterns. Look how cute. Now, I have never seen the Coco Daisy stuff other than in videos, so this is really cool. I like how the pages kind of already are decorated and whatnot. So it's kind of a mix of paper. You have grid here, colored paper, and then you have, looks like lined paper mixed in there as well. Very cool. So that's a standard size insert. Then a little page clip. This is by Happy Town Studio. Then it looks like we got some book markers or page markers here. 2 different sizes. Very pretty. And then this is the notebook. Look how cute. So this is a standard size. Looks like a standard size, or maybe bigger than a standard size. I'm thinking this is maybe like a moleskin size, I'm guessing, but you probably could also use it for standard size inserts as well, if you like to stuff your notebook. But it's just a simple white traveler's notebook with a yellow polka dot design. So cute. And then you obviously have some pockets here, a pocket here, and then a full-size pocket here, and then the elastic pen loop there. So that is my Happy Mail. Thank you, Kelly, so much for being so generous and so sweet to share this with me. I really, really appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.